everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these face paints. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So as you can see, this is what the paints look like. They actually did come in a box, but I already took it out of the box. It does look like this glitter may have spilled out a little bit, but this is what the colors themselves looks like. And it does say instructions. Our face paints are premium cosmetic grade quality. They are gentle on sensitive skin. They are water-based that can be removed easily from both the skin and clothes. For the directions, it says directly apply to skin, remove with soap and water, store in a cool, dry place, and avoid direct sunlight. And it says that you do not want to use it for children under 3 years old. So it does come with all these different sponges. Let me see what this is, because I'm quite curious now. Oh, so these are actually just pigments. So as you can see, you have this. So they seem like it's going to be like really light, like not too crazy. So that's blue, so I'm assuming that this one would be purple. Let's go ahead and check her out. I'm going to fill these to see the consistency of them. I don't want to fill that one. Let's try this one. So as you can see, you can tell that it's like a wax based. It says it's a water based though, right? So it says they are water based. It almost feels waxy though. So that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and try painting my kids and see how well they do on the skin. Let me see your face.
It's like a blueberry lime.
Look. So she's a princess.
Smurf.
We got a little Smurf, a red panda, and then a turtle.
I am a turtle.
You're a Mountain Dew.
He's a teenage.
Popsicle.
He looks like the Ninja Turtle popsicles. Because I'm not that great at painting.
You're saying that.
Elisha.
Let me see.
Amy say thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.